Okay, can we check out something even more complicated? Say, C, 14 over 44 times 6 times, open bracket, 1 whole number, 2 over 3, close bracket, all raised to power 2. Can you attempt this? Why don't you hit the pause button and try it out before proceeding? Okay, let's start by resolving the fraction inside the bracket. Expressing the missed fraction as improper fraction, we'll say 3 times 1 plus 2 equals 5. So 1 whole number, 2 over 3 as improper fraction is 5 over 3. Now, to remove the bracket, multiply the fraction 5 over 3 twice. That is the meaning of the square on top. If the bracket was raised to the power of 3, we would have multiplied the fraction in 3 places. Therefore, the entire fraction is now 14 over 44 times 6 times 5 over 3 times 5 over 3. Remember that the whole number 6 will be placed as 6 over 1. So, the fraction is now 14 over 44 times 6 over 1 times 5 over 3 times 5 over 3. We'll now cancel out. First, 3 into 3 is 1. 3 into 6 is 2. Also, 2 into 2 is 1. 2 into 44 is 22. 2 into 14 is 7, while 2 into 22 is 11. What else can divide one another? Nothing more. So let's group what we've got. We now have 7 over 11 times 1 over 1 times 5 over 1 times 5 over 3. Good. 7 times 1 times 5 times 5 equals 175, while 11 times 1 times 1 times 3 equals 33. Our answer can be further expressed as a mixed fraction. We'll have 175 divided by 33 to give 5 whole numbers, 10 over 33.
My. That's great! The next problem is very easy to solve. The only difference is we add a pi. Now let's start. D, 2 times 7 over 6 times 1 whole number 1 over 3 times pi over 2. In an exam situation, when you meet a problem of this nature, leave your answer in pi or in the alphabet, which might be in the fraction. Having seen the previous examples, you should be able to solve this, I guess. Now, I would leave you to just watch the screen and see how this is solved. Now it's time for you to solve the following problems on your own. A. 125 over 45 times 5 over 75. B. 22 over 44 times 13 times 78/88. C. 124 whole number 3 over 7 times 21/15. And D. 7 times 13 over 6 times, bracket open, 3 whole number 2 over 5, close bracket, raised to the power of 2 times 3 pi over 14. Just like we said in our last example, Leave the answer in this last problem in pi.
Alright, this is the end of this class on fractional multiplication. We saw 3 types of fractional multiplication in this class. There is one more form of fractional multiplication that is yet to be covered. We should take a look at that in the next class. See you then!